In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export data from your organization. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization's settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Advanced. From the drop-down menu, select Data/IO. You should arrive at your Import/Export page. Let's say I want to export some data. I will click the arrow next to Import and choose Export. Then I need to select the type of data I want to export. So I'll click the arrow next to Users, and I can select from a variety of types of data. Everything from employee information to schedules to time. I'm going to go ahead and choose Employee. If I had selected a category where dates matter, I would then need to choose the specific date range for the data I want to export. This doesn't matter for employees, but we'll go ahead and select a date range anyway. So choose the first calendar icon and then select a date. We'll say the month of March, so I'll select the first. Then select the second calendar icon and choose your end date. We'll go to the 31st. Next, choose the fields, the type of information you want to export. Let's say I'm putting together something for the birthdays in March. So I will select birth date. Then I'll scroll down. I'm going to choose email, and you always want to choose this external ID. You cannot import information without the external ID, so if you were to export this and notice that you needed to change something, and you wanted to then re-import the correct information, you would need this external ID. Then I will also choose first name. Next, scroll all the way down and choose the type of file you want to export. If I click the arrow next to TXT, I can choose to export this as TXT. What that's going to do is put a tab space in between each block of this information. I could choose CSV, which will use commas, a JSON file, or an XML file. I'm going to go ahead and leave this at the TXT because it's easier to view. Then click the arrow next to page and choose to export this as a page or a file. I'm going to leave this on page. Notice that there is a gray circle with a number in it next to the TXT option. That's letting you know how many fields you have selected. If you're happy with your selections, choose Export. Next, I will scroll back up, and now you can see all of the information I have chosen to export. You will also see a green save bar at the top of your screen, letting you know when you last exported this information. In the exported section, I can see the first name of my employees, their email address, their external ID, and their birth dates. This information is a little bit difficult to read in this box, so what I'm going to do is click in here, highlight all of this, copy it using Control-C on my keyboard, then I'm going to paste it into Excel. So I will go down and choose Excel and open my spreadsheet. Then I'm going to choose Control-V to paste. And now this information has been pasted. Anytime you see a bunch of number signs like you do in column D, that just means that column is not wide enough in Excel. So if I widen column D, now you can see that information. That's how you can export organization data in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to import data into your organization in TeamWork 5.